let's dive straight into this video, and I want to tell you exactly how you can make money with Alibaba. So let's go into Alibaba. This is Alibaba.com, right? Looks quite nice. It's a cool looking website. Let's just search for a random product. Let's go wallet. Search. Okay, and I'm just going to outline the process for you. So we would look for wallets. So you got lots of wallets here: $1.83, $2.88. Find something you like. That one looks quite nice actually. I like this one. So you would click the wallet, and well, they've changed it slightly, but so you look through the images, see if you like it, whatever it may be. This is how much it's going to cost. Now these prices aren't set in stone. You can negotiate on the price, don't worry about that. So what you can do is you can either start an order straight away, I wouldn't do that, or you can contact the supplier. So that's what we do. We contact the supplier. We either speak to them through Alibaba messaging, or we speak to them on Skype, whichever one just fits in better with the supplier depending on who it is. And then we will ask them stuff like, can they private label it, how much will shipping cost, what's the best price they can do, and we'll do that with about 5 or 6 different suppliers, maybe even more, maybe 10 suppliers, until we find the best price and the best product. Once you've done that, once you've found yourself a product, again, there are millions of products. Once you find yourself a product, you then want to get it shipped. So you want to use one of the big shipping companies like FedEx, TNT, UPS. Don't let them use some random small company that they found. Use one of the big boys. It's so much easier, and especially when it's with import duty and all that kind of stuff, it's so much easier. Right, now I will talk about what DDP is, which is direct duty paid. I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. I don't want to confuse this video. But where do you get your items sent? So now we have found a product on Alibaba. Where do you get your items sent? Well, if you're selling on Amazon, and you're doing fulfillment by Amazon, get it sent straight to Amazon's warehouse. Why not? If you're selling on eBay, then get it sent to your house. Or if you're using some sort of fulfillment service within eBay, get it sent to that fulfillment service. Or if you're selling it on the Facebook marketplace, so you're just kind of selling it like around to people you know, word of mouth kind of selling, then get it sent to your house. Those are the places you should get it sent to. So, I mean, that's pretty much it with Alibaba. This isn't going to be a long video. This wasn't going to be a long video. It's a very straight to the point, simple video. What is Alibaba? How you can make money with Alibaba? You buy this item for $5, you sell it for $10. Simple. That is how you make money with Alibaba. It's really not confusing. You can find pretty much anything. Let's have a look. What else can you think of? Let's put in whiteboard marker. Marker. Whiteboard marker. And I'm only saying that because I've got one on my desk, so I just found it. Here we go. 12 to 14 cents. You can sell a pack of markers for £5 or £6, $5 or $6, and you're getting them for 50 cents. Money made. Easy. That is what Alibaba is. I hope